What is up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video, and in today's video I'm gonna be playing in the snow. What? Yeah, guys, I'm playing in the snow. I'm seeing cat paws. I kind of feel bad for them because they're oh my goodness, not me slipping. We're in a snowstorm right now. I'm pretty sure everywhere is a snowstorm.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb.
Yeah, guys, I'm layered up, okay? I'm really layered up. Guys, when I walked outside, I felt like I had blue eyes, like it was bright as far outside, but look at the trampoline, look at our trampoline, hold on. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Let's try to jump on. It's probably carrying like extra weight because of how much ice and snow is on it. That was fun. Time to get down. I'm not having any of that. Oh my goodness, that person's stuck. Wait, I think that's my uncle. I saw a TikTok earlier today. There's a snow under the microscope and there was a whole bunch of bugs and everything in it. But guys, there's bugs in our bodies already. I think we're gonna be okay.
Something ain't right about this snow.
Gotta serve for a second, hold on. Yes, something ain't right about this snow. It's kind of like not, my foot's not going in the snow. Let me not do the splits. Guys, I really don't know what to do. I haven't played in the snow in decades. Let me try to make a snow angel. If my phone falls, everybody's dying because it's not about to get wet. Okay, guys, let's try to make a snow angel. I think that's good. Let's see how good I did. Guys, can you guys even see it? Looks a mess. Better luck next time, I guess, because that looks a mess. Let me go ahead and walk away from it. My foot's not even touching the bottom of the snow yet, so let me try to dig in the snow to see how much I can. Oh my goodness, it's cracking. Oh baby, this is not snow. Should I try to build a snowman, guys?
Well, yes.
I think we're gonna try to build a snow. I give up. We give up. Okay, you guys. This hat kind of makes me look blue collared, doesn't it?
My collar's blue, but my neck is red.
Okay, I'm just starting with the base of it. Why can't snow be like in movies where you just like get a ball of snow and then you roll it down a hill and it just gets bigger and bigger and bigger?
Yeah, right.
Like, hey guys, I'm doing the next base now. Guys, I can't even make a snowman. This snow isn't sticky. This snow isn't sticky. I'm irritated. I just wasted my time. Oh my, let's go. Oh heck no. The snow truck is shuffling all the snow off the road. Let me throw some snow on the road because I'm not having any school tomorrow. Didn't even do a good job. He looks a mess. Let me throw some snow on the road. Throw a little bit on the road. I'm not having school tomorrow. Yep, that should do it. Oh my goodness. Our thing just fell. Our thing fell off. What even is this? There's ice right here. Let's see how far I can throw it. Not very far. Okay. Ooh, guys, should I slide down? I don't know. Oh my, I don't know. There be spiders down. Ooh. Okay, guys, let's slide down. YOLO, Hey, guys, let's go. That was whack. I'm going to get out of here. Probably. I get bit by. Oh my goodness. It's kind of slippery, guys. I don't know if I can get out of here. It's kind of slippery, guys. I don't know if I can get out of here. I don't know if I can get out of here. Guys, hold on. Let me try to stick my feet in the ground. What is that? Look at this icy basketball. Let me try to get it out the snow. Okay, you guys, let me show you guys how it's done and shoot an icy, snowy basketball into an icy, snowy goal. Let's go. Y'all. I don't know what to say right now because my lips popping. Like, y'all ain't really from New York. Guys, I don't even think I mentioned it. I got 300 subscribers now. Who am I feeling like? Thank you guys so much. So good. That's my lunch for today. Oh, I got another one in my hand that I didn't even know about. What? Taking a seat in this icy hot chair. Let's see if it's stuck to the ground. Yep. This poor tree, why didn't it get frosted? I would try to make an igloo, but that's definitely not gonna happen. Okay, you guys, that is gonna be the end of the YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed and let me know what else you guys want me to do because of course I want to do more. This was a little short video. I'm pretty sure it might be short because girl, there ain't really nothing to do. There ain't really much to do out here. Make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to comment. Okay, bye guys.